right, hey, welcome. Another room tour, hotel tour. This time I took a little business trip out to Las Vegas, and most of my clients were down in the Henderson area, so stayed over at the new ALoft hotel, which opened not too long ago. I don't know exactly when it opened, but it's a relatively newer hotel, all part of the Marriott brand. I did shoot this out of order, so I apologize for that, but I kind of got in and had to get going, so I took this shot at night. But that's the lobby, and this is my room. Stayed on the 4th floor, which I think is the top floor. It's not, that building's not that big, and there's really, I think there's quite a bit of rooms. But what's different here about the ALoft, which is, this is the second ALoft I've stayed in so far. The other one was in Miami, but it truly is like loft style. It's kind of like trendy and chic. If you're younger, I guess it's like I think it's to cater to the younger crowd, but very loft-like, but comfortable. Hey, if you're in for a business trip, you're only gonna stay for maybe a day or so. It's actually a nice hotel, super comfortable, has everything you need, and cool thing is that it has a nice little bar, and cool people. There's a pool and a little dog area. One thing I will note is that I did notice a lot of people with pets here. I don't know if they're service animals or they're pets, but either way, there's animals in here. So guessing that this hotel is very pet friendly. Here's the bathroom, kind of just like open concept. Actual toilet area, hooks, nice little sliding glass door action, cool trendy little shower. Water pressure was nice. There's some soap. The soap actually smells like more masculine, or it's all dry bar stuff, but very masculine scent. All in all, great room. So here is a little preview or view of the patio area. Some cool little lounge chairs, fire pit, pool. Spent some time out here drinking coffee and then having a drink with a colleague in the evening. It's super nice, especially in Las Vegas weather there. Cool little pet run here. You can see the dog in the background. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Thanks.